Alright, today we're going to change the battery in this 6S. The battery should be discharged down to 1%, so it's going to shut off anyways. Alright, we'll just shut her down. You should discharge the battery anyway. Show you what's in the kit. Alright. This is a nice tray to hold your screws when you take them out. Okay, here's battery. Here's your sticky things for the back of the battery. That works good. This is a new seal for if you're going to use that. A pry tool. I'm going to use a single edge razor blade. Those don't usually work too well for me. This is a suction cup for the front of the phone, and they give you 3 different bits for the screwdriver tray here. That's my screws. First thing we want to do is remove these 2 screws. Let's see which one of these bits works. The smallest one. And let's see here. Oh, that came out. Magnetized. You don't want to lose these screws. There it is. Okay. I'm going to use a single edge razor blade for this next step. But you need to get started in here. You can use this suction cup to try and pull it back a little bit. There she goes. She's finally breaking loose. Alright, now we can go around the pry it up slowly so you don't crack the screen. Something like this. We're going to get around both sides so she's coming up. As we come up, we got to be careful now. There's some ribbons in here that hold the screen. You'd have to take this plate off to detach the screen. I'm going to do something different today. So what I've got here, I'm just going to use this clamp just to hold on to it. First of all, we can take these screws out probably right now. See if I got the right bit. Oh. That seems to be working. So the battery connector is underneath this little plate down here. This is all under $20. They give you all the tools you need. There's that plate and this connector. It's kind of covered with like a little foam or something on the back. There we go. Supposed to be this stretchy tape. And this overlap here on the end. There we go. I'm seeing it now. If we just pull this back slowly. Hey, and it's loose. That's great. Let's make sure we get this turned the right direction. Okay, this is for 6S. It's going to go down like this because the connector's right there. The new tape right. I'm just going to lay this out on the back of the battery. This the blue plastic. Place it back in there. See if we got this right. We'll be all set. And she goes in there. Connector. Just push that into place. I'm going to make sure that connector's down in there good. You can see that this dips down further than this side, so we want to get that plate on there properly. Get our little screw lined up on our screwdriver. You can see that. That's really small. This guy going. Okay, that's grabbing. Okay, that plate's back on there. So what I'm going to do now is turn it on. Okay, push the on button, and she fires up. Whatever. Now you want to seat that. Get that seated up in the top. There, you can feel it lock in. Just go around and press it into place. Let's turn it off. And it snaps into place. So now we got to put these couple of screws back in. What I did is I placed that screwdriver bit in the tray with those screws, so I got the right one. Can you see that? Now we're just going to put this back together. That's one. There it is. That's it. iPhone 6s battery change. Good luck.